Happy Sunday everyone. Na-experience nyo na ba yung tipong gumawa ka ng kabutihan and dahil gumawa ka ng kabutihan sa kapwa mo, napunta ka sa sitwasyon na hate mo? O ba, sa karera, Ricky Brabec, pagbihira, stage 11, yung kanyang number 1 na kalaban, tinulungan niya kasi sumemplang, nabalian ng collarbone and butos dito sa my shoulder. Pero alam mo ba, tinulungan niya yun, huminto siya, tumulong siya. So he probably lost a few minutes doon. And then, yung final round, although sure win na siya, 3 minutes ahead siya sa kalaban niya susunod. So talagang sure na yung win niya. Merong mga, alam mo yun, pack ng mga camel. And kung sa iba yun, sinagasaan yung camel di ba? Para mabilis siyang you know what? He lost by 2 seconds. So this guy, Ricky Brabec, tumulong sa kapwa-tao, hindi naging mean sa mga kamelyo. And he lost a very, very prestigious title. Yeah, nanalo na siya 2 beses. 2-time Dakar Rally champion na siya. Pero it could have been 3 and siya may historical record na yun. So that one hurts. Pero, I remember Colossians 3:23, you know, when you work for something, work it with all your heart as if you're working for the Lord, not for any human or earthly matters. And surely you're gonna be rewarded. For sure, ang tinutukoy dito is spiritual reward. Alam niyo sa buhay ng tao, alam mo yung mga spiritual reward is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness. You know, this guy, I think, spiritually, he'll be blessed. He might have lost the Dakar race, pero in the long run, yung spiritual contentment, peace, and everything, yun ang malaga. So, I tip my hat off to you, Ricky Brabec. So, matuto tayo. Gumawa pa rin ng mabuti kahit mapupunta tayo sa pangit na kalagayan o hindi pa natin alam, mapupunta tayo doon. Huwag tayong tumigil ng paggawa ng mabuti. Have a blessed Sunday, guys. To God be the glory.